In this video guide, I will talk about SiteKit, which is a plugin for WordPress that can help you to manage your website and can help you also to improve it in terms of earnings and also page visits and the overall quality of the website. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to the plugin page and we need to search for the SiteKit plugin. So if I click here on Add New, I can search for right here. So I'm going to search for SiteKit here on the top right, and this is it. So I've already installed it, so you have to click on Install Now, just like the other plugins. So you click here and download it. Now, even if you are using another ad manager or ads inserter, you can still use SiteKit to help you optimize, help you manage the position of the advertisement. And also you can see here you have analytics, search console, and also speed tests on your web pages. So there are a lot of tools that can help you to improve your website, definitely. So, and also we will test this. We will see if we actually get more incomes, more earnings by using this plugin or not. So this is downloaded and installed already. Once you do this, it's gonna appear here on the top, just below the main dashboard panel here, or button. So if I click here, now I can access my SiteKit. Now, the first time it's not gonna look like this. I will show you an image that I've taken before, and it's gonna look like this here. It's gonna look like you have like these 4 buttons on the top, and you will have to click on this to connect your Search Console, your Adsense, your Analytics, and your Page Speed Insights. So you need to connect all these tools in order to use it now in the dashboard here. Now you can see it's giving me information about my website and the pages that I'm publishing. And if I scroll down, I also have this here, which is pretty useful, is to check my speed and user experience. Now this is really important to understand if your pages are too heavy to display, and so they take too much time. So you can see here in the lab, it's kind of a snapshot of your page performance, and in the field, it's how real user actually load and interact with your page. So I think it's really important to have this information here. And also it's giving me a lot of recommendations about installing or uninstalling or improving some of these plugins here, which I will go through one by one, maybe as in another time, not right now. I wanted just to show you that you have all these different information and tools, not only about what you are doing. This is my monthly information, and so also I hope it's gonna it's gonna automatically position better the ads, and so that it's gonna return in more incomes and more earnings. So this is what I wish for. So I will keep a close eye on this. I will control if everything it will go better or not, and then I will decide if I want to keep it or remove it. But this is just to show you here basically the overall tool. So we have also this Search Console, and right now I don't have any data. Again, I have a page only for AdSense. I have Analytics, I have Settings, which will show me again the service that I have activated and connected. And also, let's see if we have more services here. Yes, there are a couple of more tools here, but I think I will test this later. I will make some tests and keep an eye again on all the plugin, how the plugin is doing. Now, if you like this video, please support us with the community page here in the channel. So you can also send a little donation with this link here. And also please visit the store and check our other videos and courses here in playlist. You will find more video guides, but also courses in many software. And also if you go down here at the bottom, you will find English video courses for web and software and smartphone and many more topics. So please subscribe, stay updated, stay tuned, and see you in the next video.